Now we talk about step number 2 of energy transparency, the solution. A moment ago we said that Jim wants to know more about the energy subflows after the main meter. He has talked with Filippo and was amazed how the financial department is organized on more transparency. He saw already that even a smart meter gives at any time a detailed time function of only the global consumption. That's very good, at least it tells about the time behavior of the factory on a global level. Now we want to go beyond the energy entry point of the enterprise and put a smart meter on each of the larger plants or departments of the enterprise. If we choose these measuring positions well, then we will measure a combined consumption which is pretty near to the global consumption of the enterprise. Now we will know much better where the total energy is going to. That is looking much more like energy transparency. And we know not only where, but also when. Jim has even more now than Filippo, because Filippo doesn't have so much time detail of the cash flows. I think that many of you will recognize in this network the Energy Management System, or EMS. But an EMS is usually fixed, cabled and tailor-made for the situation, not very flexible. Imagine if it were mobile, communicating by radio and already pre-configured, so that you can bring it around and apply it to the installations that you are interested in today. When I was at the start of my career, I worked on one of the first compact cardiographs. That was back in 1989. I was very impressed by the possibility of going with a mobile device to a patient and having 12 signals at the same time on paper. I saw later the similarity of the cardiograph with the energy management system and wanted the diagnostic power of the EMS, which I see always in fixed expensive systems, into a mobile set of smart meters. However, I didn't find it on the market, so I developed it. I gave it the name of energy consumption graph, and yes, it has the same abbreviation as the electrocardiogram. I have a patent pending for the ECG and it is now trademarked.